The Sleeping Beauty. Once there lived a king with his queen. They were very sad because they had no children. One day, the queen gave birth to a lovely baby girl. All the fairies reached the palace to bless the baby. The king had a great celebration. He forgot to invite an old fairy. The old fairy came to the feast and angrily cursed. When the baby turns 16, she shall prick her finger with a spindle and die. One good fairy changed the curse. She said, "Your child shall not die when she touches the spindle, but she shall fall into a deep sleep for 100 years. She will wake up with the kiss of a prince." The king ordered to destroy every spindle in his kingdom. All the spindles were destroyed. The princess grew up. One day, when she was walking in a garden, she saw an old tower. She went to the tower and climbed up the stairs. She reached a little wooden door. When she opened the door, she saw an old woman spinning with a spindle. The curious princess asked, "Can I spin too?" "Of course, my child," said the old woman. No sooner had the princess touched the spindle than her finger pricked and she fell into a deep slumber. The king and the queen were very sad. Then the good fairy came and cast a gentle spell over the castle. Everyone and everything in the castle fell asleep. Over the years, trees and creepers grew all over the palace. As years passed by, the story of the beautiful sleeping princess spread far and wide. One day, a prince saw the high tower of the palace and headed for it. On the way, he met an old man. The old man narrated the story of the beautiful princess to the prince. The prince reached the chamber and found everyone in a deep slumber. He also saw the beautiful princess sleeping. So, he sat down and kissed the princess, who woke up. By that time, the spell of 100 years had been over. As a result, everyone woke up. Soon, the princess was married to the prince and they lived happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.